Hello everyone, my name is Adrenaline the Bazooka Prophet, CEO Adrenaline Online International Platform, a platform that has helped a lot of students to master sciences in a very simple and dynamic way. Now in this particular video, we're going to be taking a question from Gass's Law. Now at the end of this video, we all should be able to solve questions that are related to Gass's Law under part that relates to ID gas law. And from this question here, what do? We come here to say a 0.05 gram sample of dry ice is placed in an evacuated 4.6 liter vessel at 30°C. Calculate the pressure in the vessel after all the dry ice has been converted to CO2 gas. Now, when we are given a question under gases law or under calculations in chemistry, we are expected to bring out the formulas or the parameters we are to use. First of all, we're given the mass from the question to be 0.05 gram. The volume V is equal to 4.6 liters. The temperature is equal to 30°C, which you must convert to Kelvin to give me that's 30 plus 273 303 Kelvin, right? So calculate the pressure, meaning we are looking for the pressure. Is that clear? And when such questions are given to us, we are expected to make use of what we call an ID gas law, because it is only the ID gas law that has all these parameters entails in them. Now, I have a shortcut for such a question. You just use, remember, from ID gas law, PV, right, is equal to nRT, which is the first episode of ID gas law. Another form of ID gas law is PVM is equal to mRT. The reason be that N, which is number of moles, is equal to mass over what now? Molar mass. So what do we do here? I'm looking for the pressure. So I come here to say the pressure is equal to mRT over V what now? M. Now from the question now, the mass is 0.05 multiplied by 0.0821 times 303. For you who may be asking me how I got this 0.0821, it is called gas constant. Is that clear now? Gas constant divided by the volume here was 4.6 multiplied by the molar mass of CO2. Remember, CO2, the molar mass is carbon is 12. 16 times 2 is 32. Altogether is 44 gram per mole. So here is what now? 44. So by the time you multiply, you divide, then the answer should show off here. So what do we do here? It's very, very simple. So the final answer to this question is simply 6.14 times 10 raised to power minus 3 ATM. And this is the final what now? The final answer to this question. And this marks the end of this video. Thank you and God bless you.